In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add call to action buttons in WordPress without using any code. This tutorial is perfect for those of you who want to enhance your website's look and functionality quickly and easily. Let's begin by heading over to wordpress.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll want to log in to manage your site. Click on the Login button and you'll be presented with several options for logging in. For simplicity, let's continue with Google. Click on Continue with Google and select your Google account if you're already logged in. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to the WordPress dashboard, which might look a little overwhelming at first, but don't worry, it's simpler than it seems. Over on the right panel, under Quick Links, you'll want to find and click on Edit Site. This will take you to the site editor, where you can begin adding elements to your pages. Now we're ready to insert a call to action button. Locate the plus icon. It's typically situated in the top left or within an empty block in your page layout. Clicking this icon will open up the block editor menu, where you can choose various elements to add to your page. In the search bar of the block editor, type in buttons. You'll see options start to filter in as you type. Find the option labeled buttons and click on it. This will add a button block to your page, and you'll see it appear right in your editor. Once the button is added, you need to customize it. Click on the button itself, and you'll notice the block tools appear, giving you options to edit and format your button. Look for the option labeled link. When you click on it, a small input field will appear, allowing you to enter a URL or select a page from your site. Linking your button to the right page is crucial. It directs your visitors where you want them to go, whether that's another page on your site, a product, or an external link. Simply paste the URL or type in the page name and select it from the list if it's a link to another part of your site. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully added a call to action button to your WordPress site. Remember, these buttons are powerful tools to help guide your visitors and improve your site's interactivity. Now that you know how to do it, you can add these buttons wherever you see fit across your website to enhance user engagement. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical WordPress tips and tricks, and we'll see you in the next video.